Hey, and welcome to the first video in a series of tutorials for the Bionicle CCG. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Bionicle CCG. First thing you need to do is go to the custom Bionicle wiki, find the Bionicle CCG page, and click repository at the top. Then you need to click the MF or Mediafire link and hit download. Here, I'm canceling my download since I've downloaded the file quite a while ago, but the process is still the same. You find your file and open up the zip file with either WinRAR, 7-zip, or whatever program you choose. So let's open that up. Drag the Bionicle CCG folder onto your desktop or wherever you want to install it. Wait for it to extract. And you're done. If you want to update Bionicle CCG, you delete the file you already have on your desktop and just follow these exact same steps to download the new update.